Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Tickpick tickets to Ticketmaster. A lot of people get confused because Tickpick is a marketplace, not the actual ticket issuer, so the process works a little differently. Don't worry, I'll break everything down step by step so you know exactly what to do. Step 1. Check who the ticket provider is. First, open your Tickpick app or log into your account on the website. Go to My Tickets and select the event you purchased. Here's the important part. Tickpick doesn't control ticket delivery. The tickets usually come from Ticketmaster, AXS, SeatGeek, or the venue's own system. So before you try to transfer anything, check the Delivery Details section. If it says Delivered via Ticketmaster or Mobile Transfer through Ticketmaster, then you're good. Your tickets will show up in Ticketmaster. Step 2. Wait for the transfer email. Once the seller releases the tickets, you will receive an email from Ticketmaster, not Tickpick. The email usually says something like, "You've received ticket transfers," or "Accept your tickets." Open that email and tap Accept Tickets. This will redirect you to Ticketmaster to sign in. Make sure you use the same email you used on Tickpick, because Ticketmaster transfers are linked to your email, not your username. After you tap Accept, Ticketmaster will ask you to log in. Once you sign in, the tickets will automatically move into the My Tickets section of your Ticketmaster account. If you don't see them instantly, don't worry. Sometimes sellers release them close to the event date. Just keep checking the app and your email. Step 4. What if you didn't get the email? Here's what you can do. Check your spam or junk folder. Confirm that your Tickpick email matches your Ticketmaster email. Go back to Tickpick and see if the delivery method changed, or contact Tickpick support. Sometimes the seller delays the transfer. Usually, once the seller sends the tickets, Ticketmaster will deliver them instantly. And that's how you transfer Tickpick tickets to Ticketmaster. Remember, Tickpick doesn't transfer the tickets itself. The marketplace simply connects you to a seller, and Ticketmaster handles the delivery. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a video on transferring your Ticketmaster tickets to someone else. Thanks for watching.